The reason I came to CST is because it's time for me to change my career. I was really looking for something that focused on the ability to work with my hands much more, work on something that's physical, tangible, and see the craftsmanship of the output for that.
Students can expect 7.5 hours per day diagnosing, researching, and actually performing work on customer firearms, learning theory with hands-on application behind that too.
It's fun. You get to be around guns all day, you know, and you get to make your own rifle and test fire and do everything yourself.
I highly recommend it. I actually have a couple buddies right now looking into getting into it just from talking to them about what I do. We get a lot of help here and it's definitely worth it, in my opinion. You get your money's worth.
We have CST graduates all over the country, all over the world, working at pretty much every manufacturer that you could possibly think of. Come and take the tour. If you come and take the tour, I feel pretty confident that you're going to want to come and join us.